Good evening and welcome to Jim Munley's World of Weather. You clicked on to Long Range Weather Forecast discussion for June 8th to the 20th. For June 8th to the 12th, models are indicating a trend towards a more summer-like pattern. The pattern will be highlighted by above normal heights across much of the nation, you can see here, and with warm to hot temperatures along with scattered showers and thunderstorms. The pattern is featuring above normal heights you can see here, and we have below normal heights across Alaska, extending towards Hawaii, but overall relative zone of flow across the U.S. This is a GFS, and we're going to go to the end of the period. We're going to go to the 12th, and you can see it gets even more zone. A little tendency for a trough here in the west, but overall a zone of flow. Now, during this period also, the remnants of Blanca are forecast to spread east, resulting in more significant threat of heavy rains into the Sierras, Arizona, and New Mexico. Temperature anomalies across the nation, going to go to the temperature anomalies, are forecast to be about 15 to 25 degrees above normal. It's varying across the nation. Okay, we're going to look at the period now for April 5th 11th to the 15th. Here we are at the 12th. Still zone of flow. Relative zone of flow is forecast in the nation with weak height anomalies. Positive height anomalies are forecast over western Canada and into the western U.S. And forecast mainly based on the ensemble means. And we're going to go to the ensemble means now and show you what I mean. Oh, I guess I don't have them anymore. Okay, but the forecast basically is mainly based on the ensemble means, showing like basically above normal heights of the zone of flow. During this forecast period, I am forecasting above normal temperatures across this area. Little uncertainty here in the plains, as some of the models are indicating some sort of a trough below normal heights, and you'll see that more in the next forecast period. But for now, I'm keeping it like this with above normal temperatures, and the temperature anomalies for this forecast period are forecast to be about 15 to 20 degrees above normal. And you can see some of the ensembles here are forecasting a little bit of below normal heights here, below normal temperatures. But I'm not buying it quite right now, so I'm going to wait and see how this looks tomorrow. For precipitation, I'm forecasting below normal precipitation here, above normal precipitation across a large area of the nation here. We're going to look now at the period for June 16th to the 20th, and this is where the pattern starts showing some discrepancies. Okay, the GFS and European ensembles are indicating an amplified flow, and we're going to look at that now. So the GFS, I got to bring this over a little bit. Here we're at the 19th, and you can see we have a ridge here, trough here, but still a zone of flow. But we're going to go back to the beginning of the period, and I'm going to show you here what I mean. See, it's a little bit more amplified how this trough starts digging into the across the Great Lakes. And the European ensembles are forecasting a trough in the west, ridge in the east. The GFS super ensembles are forecasting above normal heights across much of the nation here, but still zone of flow. This is super ensembles. And the GFS weekly, we're going to look at that. Do I still have that map up? I gotta look for that. Oh, here it is. The GFS Weekly is showing below normal temperatures here for this period. This is the temperature anomalies, 2M temperature anomalies, and it's indicating below normal temperatures here. So that makes me believe that there might be some kind of a trough above normal here. But if we go back to the previous period, it's still like showing above normal temperatures for much of the west. Not quite as strong here, but showing below normal temperatures here, parts of the southwest. And this is also shown up in the NAEFS. Hold on a second. Let me see if I can get that. Here's the NAEFS. Above, and we can see just a little bit here of below normal temperatures for this through the 19th at least. So, with all this going on, this is how I see it shaping up. I'm forecasting above normal temperatures here and here, and leaving this in the near normal range until I see how this works out over tomorrow and over the weekend. Temperature anomalies. Our forecast, I'm going to get one that more corresponds to what I'm saying. It is forecast to be 15 to 20 degrees above normal. Now for precipitation. And I realized I made a mistake when I sent out the forecast, the written form. I have below normal temperatures here, but it's below normal precipitation for this area and above normal precipitation for this region. So that is the long range for the forecast discussion for June 8th to the 20th. Thanks for coming to Jim Munley's World of Weather, and have a good day.